Minuga toimub midagi imelikku. Ma näen asju, mida ma pole kunagi varem näinud. Ja et aega ei ole olemas.
Millal see algas?
Siis, kui ma siia vahetusüliõpilaseks tulin.
Täiesti arusaamatu. Selles peas on kõik seda. Seda vaevab mingi vaim, mingi ajatu vaim.
Yes, the spirit. Just like Earth has its gravitation, like Bermuda has its triangle, Tartu has its very own spirit. The spirit became obvious in the beginning of 19th century, when famous astronomist Struve discovered that the planet Earth is not exactly a round ball, but slightly oval. Struve drew a line on the map right through the Tartu University observatory he was working at. The line he drew was a new meridian.
Kaspia mere nivoo on Musta mere nivoost 26 meetri võrra madalamal.
Sööma!
Aega ei ole.
No kuidas ei ole aega, kullamees? Kas siis süüa ei ole ka enam aega?
Aega ei ole. Üldse ei ole. Aega ei ole olemas. Ja maakera ei ole päris ümmargune, vaid loppergune.
Struve had found something very important at his doorstep. He had discovered the only meridian in the world that was dealing with space and had nothing to do with time. The meridian that gave Earth a brand new shape. Thanks to Struve, all the world maps became correct. But something more happened. The discovery had a side effect. Struve had unleashed the spirit that has affected many great minds from that day on. The first Estonian poet created his poems walking more than 100 miles from Tartu to Riga. These gave birth to Estonian national literature. The whole school of painters working and living in Tartu has taken the spirit to Paris. In the middle of 20th century, the spirit took shape of semiosphere in the head of Juri Lotman, and that gave a new shape to the whole culture of the world. The spirit has found its way out of the city, into the deep forest, where in the middle of picturesque and untamed nature, a photographer Peter Lauritz creates his artwork, sending the spirit through the air to the city of Groningen, Netherlands. Today you can hardly find anyone among the 100,000 inhabitants of this small city who has not been touched by the spirit. This time the spirit inspires us to participate in cultural processes every day. This spirit has created an invisible network of people. The network that is spreading rapidly all over Estonia and is about to cover the whole Europe one fine day. The network of people that young student from Germany has just joined.
Tänaseks aitab.
Small city, great spirit.